In this video, I'm going to give you a ManyChat tutorial for beginners. If you work with Instagram and you want to automate things, you want to save time, make more money basically, ManyChat can help you with a lot of those things. It is one of the best tools out there to automate a lot of processes, whether it's DMs, comments, likes, and so many more things. I'm going to give you a good beginner's guide here in this video. So with that being said, let's just get into it right now. So before we create an account and start using ManyChat, I just quickly want to show you what it's all about and just give you a quick intro to it. So let's just jump to the website right here so that you can have a look at what ManyChat is. All right, so now we're here on the landing page, and the first thing you also see here is your Instagram just got smarter. Send links, answer questions, collect leads, and close sales automatically, and stop treating engagement like a full-time job. And this is exactly something I remember from working with Instagram for many years with my different businesses. I remember I would get so many messages and I wouldn't be able to follow up on them, also because the whole inbox DM system within Instagram is now super bad, and this way you would often forget to answer someone and just be a big headache. And that's really where I think ManyChat does a good job trying to automate, have different triggers, and then this way you can organize and find the warm leads and convert those into sales basically. So that's kind of the core product of ManyChat, and they also integrate with WhatsApp and also TikTok and other platforms. But in this video, we're gonna start out with the core product, which is Instagram. And also here you can see there's a few quotes. Someone said here, I've had over 3 million new views to my account in the last 30 days. And also someone made a lot of money from it and this and that, you know. So there's a lot of people using this tool because it does really change things and you save a ton of time. So let's have a quick look also here at the pricing. So in this video, we're just gonna use the free trial or like the basic thing. But let's just have a look here so you can understand how the costs are using ManyChat on the long run. So when we're here, there is this free plan. So this one has a maximum of 25 active contacts. And what that means is that if someone makes a comment and then it starts a conversation, for example, DMs and all that, that is one contact that is registered where ManyChat have helped you with the engagement and the conversation and all. So that's one. So basically it's kind of limited here on the free plan, but of course it's a good way to test out things. And then if you actually end up, having a lot of activity, well, then you probably need to upgrade to, for example, the Essential or the Pro one. But yeah, let's just have a look here at the different things. So there's the 25 active contacts, connect any two channels. You can connect to Instagram and TikTok as an example. Basic automations, up to 4 active automations. And again, that's like the different triggers, comments on a story and comments on your post. And then also it's only one user you can have in this profile. And yeah, it's like just a basic, way to start out. Then when you're ready for it, you can upgrade, for example, to the Essential one. So the difference here is really just that you can have up to 250 active contacts. If you would go to the Pro one, which is $29, like the Essential one is $14, but then the Pro one is $29. And then here you can see you can have 2,500 active contacts. So that's actually a good chunk, I would say, that would cover a lot of people that have a decent sized Instagram profile. And then also one thing you'll see here in the other plans for the Business Advanced is that you have this AI feature, though I don't think it's that great yet. I think they still need to work on it, but basically you can use that one to help with conversation in different ways. We're gonna come back to that like quickly. I'm gonna show you, but that's basically how the pricing structure is. So we're just gonna try out here with the free plan, and then again, when you're ready for it, you can change to the Essential or the Pro. That's probably what I would advise. Also, I have a unique link in the description, so check that out if you want to try out ManyChat already right now. All right, but let's start out and create a profile. So we go here to sign in, and then you can choose whether you want to log in with Google or Facebook. So I'll just log in here with Facebook, and I'm just gonna give access. It should be pretty easy. It just connects with your profile, and then it's just gonna ask for your email. So then we just put that in, you get a code, and you just confirm that. And then it should look something like this. So here is your dashboard. What you can see here is this hello Christopher, and then there's like start here. So there's like auto DM links from comments, generate leads with stories, respond to all DMs. So this is a little bit like we talked about before, these ways to use automation so that you can save time and make more money with your Instagram profile. So the first tab we have over here besides home is contacts. So again, this is people that engage. Then we have the automations. So this is where you have your different automations, whether they're active or draft or whatever. So as I said before, we can go create automation so that if someone makes a comment, well, then we'll send a reply right away, or we can send a DM right away, and so many other features that I'm going to show you in one sec. Then we have the ManyChat AI that I talked about. So I think this one could still use some more work. I wouldn't rely too much on this at this point. but of course it can be fine to check out. And then the inbox is where you can have a look at these different conversations, again, as I said, from the context. So then here's like kind of the inbox, a little similar to the inbox you'll see inside Instagram. And then you have settings where you can adjust different things. You want to integrate, for example, you see here TikTok, WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, email, Telegram, etc. So that's just the dashboard. It's very easy setup, very basic. So I think everyone understands how this is like kind of structured. So we're just gonna go to home here, and then you see here it says start here, and then we want to set up automation. So then let's just try with this one, auto DM links from comments. So if we go here, then we have this kind of overview where you can see it's integrated to your profile. So here it takes my last post on Instagram. Now it's just my personal profile I use here in this example, but of course, I guess in many ways it's more ideal if it's for business, but it doesn't really matter that much. I think you'll get the point anyway. But then here we have my last post, and then we can, here up here it says when someone comments on, and then it's like a specific post or reel, and then I can choose a post here basically. So I can choose one of these, but I'm just going to take the newest one here. And then if you have the paid plan, then you can say any post or reel, next post or reel. So basically you don't have to do this for every single one. It's just in general, every time you do a new post and someone makes a comment, well, then there could be some basic generic trigger or whatever. But now we're on the free plan. So we're just going to test out now with this specific post. And then here the next thing is, and then it says, and this comment has specific words or reactions, any word or reaction. So you could put in here, for example, and it's like a photo of some shoes or whatever, and then maybe you can tag, for example, price, size or whatever. So if someone writes, hey, what size or what is the price on these shoes, or maybe when is it released or whatever, then you can put in these different tags. But we're just gonna use any word or reaction because that's a little easier and like a good, I think, starting point just to test out these things. So then we have that set, and then there is the next thing here, and that is, and then reply to the comments under the post. So what that means is that if someone actually makes a comment, well, then we'll send a message back to them right away in the comment section of that post. So here you can see it has 3 different variables that you can use. So info delivered, check inbox, link sent, check inbox, check your DMs, info is there. And then you can of course make whatever comment you want, but I'm just gonna stick with the standard ones that is here. And then also here you see like the illustration of the iPhone where you can see you have the post, you have the comment here, and then it shows like how it will look. And then also, and we're gonna come to that one sec, that there is the whole DM thing that then is also gonna send a message and automate all of that. So then we're just gonna save. And then here you can see the add trigger, that's the one you see here, that they will get an opening DM. So here you see, again, it's like, hey there, I'm so happy you are here. Thank you so much for your interest. Click below and I'll send you the link in just a sec. So basically what happened here is that first you have your post, someone makes a comment, there's the automated reply that we just saw before, and then also there's a DM being sent to that individual. And then this is that message, and then for example with a link or whatever it is. So again, you could, if you have a shop or whatever selling something, or Amazon affiliate link or whatever, well then you can put it in here and say, hey, this is where I bought this, whatever it is that you want to send of information or link to. So that's just how that is. And then of course there's again some extra features, a DM asking to follow you before they get the link, a DM asking to their email. So this way you get some extra, information if that's something you want. And then also here there is this laughing, and then they will get, here's your link, and then you can add the link, and then also a follow-up DM if they don't click the link. So there's different like triggers that you can implement if that's what you want, if you have one of the paid plans. So now we can just test this out and we can try to drop a comment on this specific post, and then let's see if we get a reply and also a DM, because that would be interesting to see if it actually works. So now I log into another profile, one that is not related to ManyChat. Went here and I said, hey, great photo, will you contact me soon? And then right after it sends this message like, send the link, check your inbox. And then also in the inbox, it has that message that we just saw before. So it's super easy, super fast. Yeah, really a great tool. And I think also what is great about ManyChat is that they really tried their best to make it super user-friendly. So you don't need to be technical to understand any of these things. I'm just gonna show you some other ones that you can set up in an easy way. So like here are the ones they recommend. There's also generate leads with stories, respond to all your DMs. And then also you can go here, explore all templates. So then we have like so many different ones. Send affiliate product links, respond to all your DMs, automate conversations with AI, follow first, then freebie, grow your email list. So there's like a ton to choose from, and something that I think covers most needs out there. So whether you are a YouTuber like me that makes a lot of videos and maybe want more views on YouTube, to someone selling a product, to someone having an email list, and to so many other scenarios basically. So it's really easy to do these things and it just works. So I think this covers it for this ManyChat beginners tutorial. This is the first small steps in learning how to use ManyChat. It is a great tool. Again, I have a link in the description, so if you want to try out ManyChat, use my link, then you're gonna get some extra benefits, and also I get a little bit of commission if you end up paying for any of the plans, and this way you support the channel. I hope you found this video useful. Also feel free to drop a comment if you got some questions, and also the most important thing, hit the subscribe button. That will help me so much make more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.